Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a menu item with a section link in your Wix website. This is a really useful feature if you want to create smooth navigation that takes visitors directly to specific sections on your pages, like jumping straight to an About Us or Services area without making them scroll. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, look for the option that says Site and Mobile App and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to your website settings and management options. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. It's important to make sure that this is the website you actually want to work on, especially if you manage multiple sites under your account. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the right site before moving forward. Once you've verified that, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. This button is typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on it to proceed. This action will take you into the heart of your website's editing interface. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to designing and customizing your site. From here, look over to the left navigation menu and find the option labeled Pages and Menu. Click on it to open up the Pages and Menu Management window. Once the Pages and Menu window opens, you'll see a list of all the pages you currently have in your Wix website. This gives you a full overview of your site's structure. Now, navigate to the bottom part of this window. You'll see a button that says Plus Add Menu Item. Go ahead and click on it. A selection window will appear, presenting you with different types of menu items you can add. From the selection window, simply choose Section. This tells Wix that you want to create a link that points to a specific section on a page, rather than linking to a whole new page. Once you've selected Section, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Use this drop-down to select the page where you wish to add this section link. After selecting your page, another drop-down will appear, allowing you to choose exactly where on that page you want this section link to point to. This could be any section you've previously set up on that page, like a header, footer, or content block. And that's it. You've successfully added a menu item with a section link to your Wix website, making it easier for your visitors to navigate directly to the content they're looking for. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.